So today we're gonna teach you how to eat a Japanese rice ball. I wonder if you can call it a rice ball since it's actually shape of a triangle. So I first discovered these in Japan at 7-Eleven, and when I first bought them I didn't know how to eat it. When you take out the wrapper, it basically just falls apart. If you look closely at the rice ball, there's actually instructions. There's labeled 1, 2, and 3. And there's a reason they want you to follow the instructions. Before we get further into how to eat a Japanese rice ball, I'm going to teach you how to say the word in Chinese. Chinese is a very tonal language, so today we're really going to focus on getting the tones right. So the word for rice ball is fan tuan, and we want to start with fan. Fan is fourth tone, so I like to tell people to say go down with their head, so fan. Okay, fan, and that means rice in Chinese. Second word is tuan, and it's second tone, so you want to go up. So tuan, and tuan it actually means clumped together. So when you put it together is fan tuan. So when you put the word rice clumped together, that makes a rice ball. Okay, so now that we learned the word, let's learn how to open a Japanese fan tuan. Alright, we're gonna get started. First of all, I got this at a local Japanese supermarket. You'll see I got it for 30% off. Everything after 6 p.m. is marked down, so got a really good deal. $1.49, so with 30% off, it's about $1. I got the seasoned kelp. This one's pretty good. Alright, to start, you'll see there's a couple numbers. So here's number 1, so that's step 1. Here's number 2 in the bottom right hand corner, and here's number 3. So this is the order of the instructions that we're gonna be following to open this properly. Alright, so this is the instructions. I'm actually surprised it's in English. This is a Japanese market. I guess they're catering to people in the United States. So step 1, you want to pull the tab off, and you want to remove the tear tape completely all the way around. And then step 3, you want to pull the film apart together. Or 2 and 3. Here's a word, rice ball. It's not really a ball. You can see it's a triangle. They should call it a rice triangle. Alright, here's the pull tab. So you just pull all the way around. Okay. Alright, so it just pulls right off. That's step 1 complete. Alright, so now this is the tricky part. You want to pull this corners out together. Let's see if we can do this right. Okay, just hold this side, pull it out. Hold the other side, pull it out. So what's happening right now, why they do this, is they want to keep the seaweed and the rice separate when they package it for convenience stores. So by separating this out right now, it doesn't make the seaweed soggy. So this is a really, really smart design. Right? I think I messed up. Alright, we're gonna have to pick up another one. Alright, just to make sure I show you guys the right way, I bought 3 more. So they are different flavors. Just to show you what other flavors they have, I've gotten the spicy cod roe, the salmon flakes, and then my favorite, the seasoned kelp. And you just pull it all the way around. Okay. Number 2, I'm going to slide this part off. And it just kind of comes apart like this. And what just happened is it separated the rice and the seaweed. And now you don't have soggy seaweed. And here's your rice ball. That easy. Alright, so I completely failed showing you guys how to eat this Japanese rice ball. I'm gonna have to buy one again tomorrow, but it still tastes good. You can still eat it. Yeah.